waking up too early, maybe we can sleep. Making banana pancakes, pretend like it's the weekend now. We could pretend it all the time. All right, hello and welcome to Gotta Eat Breakfast Edition. Today we are making banana pancakes. Jack Johnson style. Not really Richard Gere style. Okay, let's get into it. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of oil for your pan. Walnuts, and some blueberries. Okay, first of all, we are going to mash our bananas. Mash it, mash it, mash it. Have your fork handy, ready, and get the mashing going. You can also use one of those meat tenderizers, I guess, if you're feeling... Joking. A fork is gonna be just fine. I feel like death metal and heavy metal is more like an evening event rather than death metal in the morning. Once you've got your bananas all mashed and good to go, put them on the side, because we are now going to mix our wet ingredients. You take your 2 eggs, right? That didn't work. That worked a lot better. Oh yeah. Eggy. Egg number 2. These are really big eggs. You want to whisk together your eggs. Maybe we can sleep. Make a banana pancakes and like it the weekend now. Add in your vanilla extract. I love the sound of everything getting put into everything. It's the technical term for it. I feel like Evan Almighty. I love Steve Carell. Then your baking powder in, just to give it a little bit of a lift, a little bit of a rise for your banana pancakes. Give it a nice good whisk. Get that baking powder nicely mixed in. Okay, just before you think that the oil goes in, it does not go in. The oil goes into the pan because that's what we're going to use to lubricate our pan, and we're going to make our banana pancakes. All right, once that's done, you can add in your banana. Make a banana pan. That song's going to be stuck in my head all day. My pleasure. Oh man, it's so good. You want to try and break up your bananas a little bit in the mix, because otherwise it's going to get a little bit too lumpy, you know? Okay, you want to preheat your pan. If you've got one of these cool super duper high powered hot plates like we do, oh, there, push the right buttons first, of course. Turn your heat down, add in your oil. A half a teaspoon should be enough just to lubricate the pan a little bit. But obviously if you need some more, feel free to add a little bit extra. Obviously you don't want your pancakes sticking to your pan. Right, get yourself a serving spoon of some sort, a ladle, or I don't know, some people just pour it in, right? I like to measure it out. So a nice ladle into the pan. Oh, might run a little. What? You're looking funky. Yeah, cut it. It's early in the morning and I ain't got much sleep, so I messed up banana pancakes. I didn't mash my bananas quite enough, so it didn't really like hold anything together. So we made banana styled scrambled eggs. So what you can do to fix this problem is you can get yourself a nice blender. You can for 5 minutes-ish, and then start the process again. So you want to turn on your hot plate after you all your eggs. I suggest that you, because no one wants that. All right, you want to turn your hot plate on, oil your pan. Great, let's try this again. This is gonna work. It's gonna work, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna work. Oh, that's way better. Way better. Right, there we go. Ta-da! Okay, these won't take too long to cook. You don't have to watch them intensely. what you want to do is you want to pay attention to making the batter correctly. So this will take about 5-10 minutes. You want to have something ready to go, ready to serve up. These are best served hot. Quick tip, just how you know when your pancakes are ready, it starts to make little bubbles at the top. That's kind of tells you that it's ready to be flipped over. When you're serving, depends obviously what your family and your friends like, but today we're serving up some blueberries and some walnuts. Exactly. They kind of look like hearts because I couldn't flip them properly. That one kind of looks like underpants. Underpants looking pancakes. We call them panty cakes. So you can garnish these with walnuts, any kind of nuts that you have. I like peanut butter, so I'd probably put a dollop of peanut butter on there. Some blueberries on the side. And if you guys haven't guessed it yet, some honey. Honey, honey, honey. Oh, sugar, sugar, boo, 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 boo. Honey, honey. Full of songs today. Full of songs today. All right, let's give it a taste, everybody. Let's give it a taste. Oh, delicious. Get a little bit of walnut in there, a little blueberry. And that's just because I love her so much. Emi itadakimasu. It's delicious. Honestly, I am missing the flour. I like the fluffiness that the flour gives it, but it's a great alternative if you don't want to add any flour in, and also for those vegetarians out there. So thank you so much for joining us today. And gotta eat, because everyone's gotta eat breakfast.